What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw and color a cute Arctic fox. Let's get started in the center of our page with the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and then back down on the right. Now from the ends, we're just going to angle this down and in towards the center of our page. Now you want to shift the mouth over towards the left side. So we're going to start up here, curve this down and in towards the middle, go back up to the left side and add a bracket. Now from the top of the nose, we're going to step out and draw two circles for the eyes. So start on the left, and we'll line this up on the right side. Let's add a smaller circle on the top left side of each eye for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottoms of the eyes in black. Now from here we're going to start from the side of the nose and add a trim going up above the eyes and then down towards the cheeks. Let's start on the left side. And go straight up, go around the eye, and then come down towards the side. Let's go to the right side of the nose, going up, rounding out the top, and then just pulling that down. Now we're going to add some fur along the side of the cheeks. Starting back on the left, bend this down and then up. And then from the end, curve this down and in. Now we're going to step back out, just going to curve the head, coming down, underneath the mouth, in towards the middle. Just round up the head, and then just pull that back up on the right side. Now I'm going to go back and add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting on the left, curve this up and out. Let's go back up to the top of the cheeks and curve the side of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to go up. I'm just going to bend this in towards the middle. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Go over towards the right side. Bend the head going out and then down. Let's add some fur along the top of the head. Starting back on the left, go out and up in the middle. Go out and then down. Let's add one smaller point. Going out and up, then come down on the right side. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the inside edge of the ears. Let's start on the left. Curve this up and bend that out. Let's round up the side of the ear, going out and then down towards the top of the head. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Starting on the left, step out, just follow that same curve going up and then around the side. Let's give our character a scarf. We're going to start in the center underneath the chin, curve the scarf going out and then down towards the bottom. Draw a short line going out towards the side. And we'll follow that same curve, going back up and in underneath the head. Let's go all the way over toward the left side, draw the bottom edge of the scarf coming down. Just going to tuck this in behind, go over towards the right, curve out and then back up. Now from here we're going to layer the tail on top of the body. Let's start over on the left side underneath the scarf, curve the body going around, curve the tail going across, and then we'll bend that down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the side of the body. I'm going to curve the tail going back out, come down and then in, and we'll bend that down towards the tip of the tail. Let's move over towards the right side of the scarf, curve the body going out, down, and then in behind the tail. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the edge of the body going out and then down in behind the tail. Go to the right side and tuck this up underneath the scarf. Now you want to separate the end of the tail. Starting from the top, curve this out and then in. Just going to repeat these curves all the way down towards the bottom of the tail. And there's a drawing of a cartoon Arctic fox. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's start with a cool blue and fill in the top of the head and the outside of the ears. And then we'll use that same color across the side of the body and the end of the tail. Let's grab a light pink and fill in the inside of the ears, as well as the nose. Now we're going to add some red stripes across the scarf, alternating in between the white. I'm just going to add a shadow across the bottom of the tail and the top edge of the body. Then we'll just add a soft blush to the cheeks using our pencil crayon. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color an Arctic fox. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.